2011 bike check. Start from the top to the bottom. I got the Perfect 10 S&Ms with the Animal Edwin grips, with the Shadow Conspiracy top load stem, down to the Primo strand forks, laced up to the Mission Components front hub with the Alienation Black Sheep red rim. My front tire is the Fit FAF folding. Down to my cranks are the Stolen Team cranks. They're really nice cranks, real strong, with the Premium Slims PCs, with the Eastern, whatever the fuck sprocket, Medusa, with the Stolen interlock chain, and what else? My back rim is the City Light, laced up to the Premium cassette, and my back tire is the Animal GLH. I have one Shadow peg and one Walmart peg in the front, and my frame is the Sunday Second Wave frame. It's custom paint job. Yeah.
And your seat.
And my seat is the Animal Cush seat. And I ride my bike in 96.0. Yep.